G'day, here's a very nice parcel of fossil material from Lightning Ridge. There's some quite nice large pieces amongst it, as you can see up there towards the top, and smaller pieces near the bottom. It's a bit of a mixed bag of size, and there's a few multicoloured pieces in it which I'll show you a bit later. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. You can see there some of the nice shapes on the formed by the fossils, the bark perhaps, timber, multicoloured piece there coming across your screen, some larger pieces. Just going up to the largest pieces now at the top of the screen. Don't forget you can stop the video at any time and have a bit of a closer look. Same goes when I'm holding them. Anyway, I guess you'd like to see what the big piece up in the corner is. Here's that other piece over here. Multicolour coming through, reds coming through under here. Multicolours over on this end of it. Sorry, drifted off the screen like I normally do. Piece of bordering on crystal there, whether it goes through or whether it's just on the edge. Perhaps it's just on the edge, that piece. Here's a really nice piece of multicolour. Should get a nice stone out of that, I hope. Bit of crystal. Nice colour bar there. Oh. And the light just coming off that there, showing you the multicolours. Fortunately that's got a big hole in the middle. Sometimes you need to grind this a little bit and then stop and think about where you're going next rather than just keep grinding, otherwise you end up with nothing. Another piece of crystal. Here's that little piece that was down near the rule. Nice little bright stone there. Another multicoloured piece. I think I'll stop it at that, and you can, when you buy it, you can find some little treasures yourself. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. There's some of the little pieces down the bottom. Cheers.